Deciphering English. Demystifying. Which, what, and whose. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: interrogative determiners, specifically focusing on which, what, and whose. These words might seem simple, but they play an important role in asking questions effectively. Let's jump right into it. Interrogative determiners are words that we use at the beginning of questions. They're a subset of determiners that help us identify or quantify the noun that follows them. Today, we're focusing on which, what, and whose. Each of these has a distinct function. Which, used when the choices or options are known to the speaker. What, used when the choices or options are not known or unlimited. Whose, used to ask about possession or ownership. Which is a fantastic tool for when you're talking about a specific set of items. It's the word to use when you've got some defined options in mind. Let's look at an example. Example: which book do you want to read, the thriller or the romance? Here, the speaker has two specific books in mind. The use of which shows that there are a set number of choices. On the other hand, what is the word to use when you're dealing with undefined or unlimited choices. It's perfect for when you're open to anything or when you're curious about the possibilities. Let's consider an example. Example: what book do you want to read? In this case, the speaker is not limiting the listener's choice to any specific books. Last, but not least, we have whose. This interrogative determiner is all about ownership and possession. It's the word to use when you want to know who something belongs to. Here's an example. Example: whose book is this? Here, the speaker wants to identify the owner of the book. And that wraps up our discussion on which, what, and whose. These three simple words are incredibly powerful tools in your English language arsenal. By using them correctly, you can ask clear, concise, and meaningful questions. So, keep practicing, and remember, every question you ask brings you one step closer to mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!